Hello everyone. Let's unbox the DJI Mic Mini. I actually decided to buy this mic because first of all, I already have the mic 2. But I wanted to have a smaller mic, especially when I'm outside filming. So I decided to go on Amazon and purchase this one. Only one mic. It comes in this little pouch here. So let's open it. Okay, it's a very nice pouch for you to put everything you need. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, nothing else in the pouch. So here we have that's the USB-A to USB-C cable. My God, I have so many cables like this. This here is, I think this is the windshield. Let's check. Yes. So it comes with two windshields, a gray one and a black one. This here, I think this is the charging dock. Let me check. Yes, this is the charging dock. Look at that. It is so small, so cute. Oh my God. And this is actually the microphone. It's really small, especially compared to the mic 2. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is nice. Okay, so now we need to actually connect it to my Osmo. So here is the Osmo Action 4 because it's the one that I'm still using. So we have to turn it on. Then we have to go to settings and look for wireless mic. Yes, there you go. Okay, here I had a little trouble. You actually have to click on TX in order to activate a mic. Otherwise, you won't connect. I learned that after watching a video. So it took me a while. But in the end, I managed to connect it. So here you can see it's connected. Okay, the magnet is super strong. Okay, so now it's time to check it out. So let's go out and see how it sounds. So today it's not the best day for me to be out because like I said before, I'm a little bit sick. But I also want to go check the park because I think it's beautiful. I had to put a microphone here because this jacket is so thick. The magnet was not actually attaching, so I had to open it a little bit and use the clip. So it's working. So let's go to the park. There is the park, and that's where we're going. Wow. Now I'm using my selfie stick to give me a little more distance between me and the camera. The other video I was just using the camera, holding the camera in my hand. It does have a very wide angle, but if you want more distance, separation, then you do need a selfie stick like the one I'm using now. So yeah, and there's a couple of people in the park. Let's see how it is. Okay, look what I've seen. Here at the park, the canal is a little bit frozen. Of course, it's not hard enough so you can walk on it, but it's kind of frozen. And there are some kids playing, throwing snowballs. Oh my. Yes, it's been a while since I walked here in this park. Oh my God, I love this. It's really cold. Let's see. Let's see here. If it's also frozen. Let me check. Okay, look. Here, it's frozen as well. As you can see, it's really nice. Somebody built a snowman there. And yeah, oh my gosh, it's really cold. It's a lot of snow. For us here in the Netherlands, it's a lot of snow. But I love it. Oh my gosh. Let me send the notes to my niece. Regiane, olha só isso aqui. Olha que lindo que tá. Muita neve. You know, my niece, she was here. My niece was here twice. And both times she actually couldn't really enjoy the snow because when she came to visit me, it wasn't snowing. And she wanted to see it so much. Because, you know, in Brazil we don't have that. But she wasn't that lucky. But yeah. Look, there's a lot of trailers here. I really don't know what this is. It could be like an amusement park that is going to be set up. I don't know. Or a circus. Could be. We don't know. This is the part that I don't like about snow. When it starts melting, it becomes this muddy mess. Not pretty. Oh wow. So we're going in here. It's a little bridge. That's the nice part. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, when you don't think about the disruption this causes. See this part here is a little frozen because it's shallow. So where it's shallow, there's a layer of snow, of ice actually. But you cannot step on it because you will sink. So, not good. This looks like spiders. Look at that. Oh, scary. Ew. Oh, wow. Oh, you know what? This is one of the parts that I really love about this park. It looks like a fantasy forest. It is so beautiful. And look, it's a little bit frozen. Yeah, a layer of ice. But look at the way the trees are. It just gives me kind of a fantasy feeling. Look at that. It is so gorgeous. I love it. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Wow. You see this part here, this kind of lake, it freezes, and I've seen people ice skating here before. I don't think it's hard enough for people to skate now, but yeah, people do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It gives you such a sense of space. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh wow. Wow. This is really something. And I wanted to come today because I think today is maybe the worst that it's going to be. And then hopefully it will get better. For, of course, for the transportation. But yeah. But I needed to register this. I needed to see it. It's beautiful. I love it. Keep it 100 on the land, the sea, the sky. Pledge allegiance to your hands, your dreams, your vibe. Don't care where the hell you've been, 'cause now you're mine. Got to be the sleepless night you've been dreaming of. The fate of Ophelia. Okay, if there's one thing people here don't know how to make, is a decent snowman. Look at this. This is horrible. This is not a snowman. This is just a pile of snow. Gosh, not cute. Okay, I've decided to go back home. It's too cold for me to stay out here. And it's very windy, cold wind. I've seen everything I had to see. Now I'm just going back to the warmth of my lovely house. And for me, the day is over. Actually, I'm going to keep on watching Stranger Things. I've been binging on Stranger Things since the first season, before I watched the last one. So today I'm going to start, I think I'm ending the third season tonight. And I can't wait to reach the end of it. So I'm not watching any videos because I don't want any spoilers. So yeah. They're working on my street. My gosh. What are they doing? I have no idea. Look how tall this thing is. Whoa. Huge. So we're back home, and I was checking the footage on the computer, and I have to say that I was quite impressed. This little microphone really works very well, especially outside. It was kind of windy, so I was using the windscreen, and I'm very happy with the sound quality. Of course, it's not as good as the Mic 2, because the Mic 2 is a little more professional. It also has internal recording. So I'm still gonna be using that one in certain situations. But I mean, especially for outside, this is so tiny, and I think it works really well. So that was a quick view of this Mic Mini. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!